Hello, welcome to my channel. I was busy in recent days, so didn't do any updates. And now, let's take a look at this video's topic. I'm going to cover global objects in this video, and which is going to be pretty short. Okay. Let's take a look at first. What is global object? A global object is an object that always exists in the global scope. And for all the JS files you running in the browser and without declare those variables, it's already there. And the one you will see inside the window is inside browser is called a window. Okay. Window object is a global object in the browser, and any global variables or functions can also be accessed as properties of window object. Here we will see the first. I think I remember the first demo when I cover inside the JavaScript. This playlist is alert. Alert is a method inside the window object. And also, like later on, we will probably see document, location, history. Those are all properties of window objects. Okay, and when we define variable using var, and the var variables are also put inside a window object, but later on const are not. Okay, first now let me just finish everything. And there are also global objects inside the other JavaScript environment, like a Node. Node, it doesn't have window object, but it do also have a globalThis object if you want to put something globally. And then you can attach to the globalThis object. But Node is designed to run everything locally, run a file locally. So unless you are, necessarily have that kind of requirement, otherwise don't attach your variables inside the global, because it's going to be accessed everywhere, right? And in recent change in the JavaScript language, because we have a different JavaScript environment, like inside the browser, the global object is called a window, and in the Node JavaScript environment, the global object is called global. So as a standard, the JavaScript add another keyword called globalThis. Okay, this one was added as a standardized name for the global object, and now it's also supported by all the environments. So now let me show you all the demos about global objects. Okay. I'll go here. Where should I put it? Should I put it here or put it in other place? I'll just put it here. Okay. Global demo.html. And here I just have a script. What is global objects? Suppose here I have an alert. Hello. Okay. And now when we execute this code, when we execute the code, we will see hello being printed. You will see hello being printed. So where is this alert? Who declared this alert? Obviously, I didn't declare this alert, right? This is a method. So alert is inside the inside the window. Here you can also type window here by yourself. We can also use the browser has a console to to take a look at a window object. Okay, it's easier. So in the window object is global. Inside global, see here, the first one is alert. So when we call alert, it's actually called, when we call alert here, its action is calling window.alert. Word. No, because I'm using Windows system recently. Hello and Word. Okay, and this is the one. And later on, probably suppose we want to get this. I'll show you one here, but we want to do anything now. Okay, suppose here I have a button, and here I'll have a click me. And now I will do something called what's it? ID equals btn. And later on, you will see the demos related to this one. Suppose I want to attach an event on this button, which is when I click this button, I want to do something. Here, we will use something called a document, okay? Because we have to use a document dot get element by ID, and which is use btn, and then we can attach an onClick function, okay? Function, and here we can say alert button clicked. And in this case, if I run, it won't work. Here we have button. It won't work. The reason is the JavaScript, when browser process our HTML files, and whenever it see a script tag, it will immediately execute it. And immediately executed, it will attach this anonymous function as an event handler for this button. But at that time, this body hasn't reached, which means the browser hasn't drawn this button. So we don't have this button yet. If we put a script tag here, one way to solve is we can do is Ctrl X and put it after this one, because in this case, JavaScript browser already render this button, then execute this script tag. So in this case, we won't have this error. And when we click me, you will have button clicked. So now we come here. Why is a document? Document is also an property inside Windows. We can take a look at window. You can have a document. Have a document, okay? Suppose you want to get the information about current location. You can using location, okay? And then you can get the href, path name, port number. Suppose here I want to find my port number. Then I have to run inside using a live server, okay? Otherwise I don't have. So the live server, this one. If I want to get my port number, should be location console log. Let's using alert, okay? The location dot href, okay? Location dot port, okay? I just do this too, okay? Now I will refresh. See here, you already see this one. Okay, hello world. This is the href. Okay, did I have the port? Location dot port port. It should be 500-550. I alert doesn't accept this format. Okay, so I have to do alert in another way. I have to do it twice. I was thinking it's a console log. Console log will accept this part. So I will alert like location dot port. Okay. Word. Let's say location. Hello world. Let's href, and this is port. And why is location? Location is also inside the window. See here, window. Here. Location. Here is the location. Okay, and in the future you may run the local storage and the session storage, which is you can store, which is alternative of cookie. Okay, and suppose you want to get information about the navigator, you can have a navigator. You can also have a navigation. Okay, in a navigator it will tell you the vendor is what, and then it will also add other. Those are all the events related. And suppose you want to get screen information, you can use screen object. Those are all inside these are all inside the window, and which is a global object. Okay, and now let me show you the second one, which is this part, var and latent const. Okay, suppose now I will comment this part and I will add more demos at the top. Okay, now if I define variable var called the first name, let me use channel name. Okay, equals miss xing. Okay, when I define a variable inside inside a script tag, okay, in our HTML, or you directly link inside using a JS file and link inside the HTML, and you do like this way, and this channel name gonna be added in the window. How to prove it? Here I will have a window.channel name, and before the declaration you will see this one is undefined because window object doesn't have a channel name. But after define, then we print it again, and you will see that it's being added there. So I'm going to here refresh, see. Okay, the first time when I using window.channel name, you didn't get it, right? There's no undefined. And after I define this one and the window.channel name, you will get a miss xing. You can also access here window.channel name, you will get it. Okay, we can also do another thing, which is here I will print the window first. Okay, and after I add this one, I print the window again, so we can see it's being added in the window object. So the first one, window, I didn't see a channel name. Oh, it's already printed. Let me open in another browser here. Okay, here respect. So window. Okay. Oh, probably I cannot do like this way. It's being changed here. It shouldn't have this one because this one is undefined. It should be added here, but it when we print the window here, it also get printed. Okay, but basic idea is, suppose I don't have this one. I think that's the browser's problem. Okay, not the code problem. I can do like this way first. Okay, refresh window. Okay, so from here you can see here I didn't define the var. I didn't define the var channel name, and you can see the window here doesn't have the channel name here. Okay, it should be because the order is in the based on the letters. Okay, sorted by the letters. We don't have a channel after before this Chrome and after this capture events. But now if I define this var channel name, and now we go here again, you will see here have a channel name. We just ignore this one. Okay, probably it's get refreshed. Let me open another one. Okay, for this one, oh, it's still, I just ignore this case. Okay, ignore, because probably it's after executed it's gonna be already added inside here. I just ignore this case. But our demo to you guys, if I don't have this one, definitely don't have channel name. But if we do like this way, in this case, var is hoisted. And updated. but it shouldn't be this one. They may have the browser, which Chrome may did something on this part. Okay, if let me guess, this one, if it has, it should be undefined here, but it print both of them is miss Xing. But you can see here the first one is undefined. Okay, I just ignore this case for now. Okay, because I don't really know the actual reason for that. But after it's been defined the var, you can see we have a channel name being printed. That is a var. But if I change this one to be let or const, okay, let or const variable declared won't be added in the window object. And let's refresh. See, you can see first both of them is undefined, and here you didn't see that a channel name, and in this window you also want to see that a channel name. And that's the behavior of let and const, same. Okay, and now we define another one. Here, suppose here I had a function. Function declaration also will be added into the window object if we do like this way. Suppose I have function foo from demo. Okay, foo from demo. Okay. CLG demo purpose. Okay, and now let's take a look at fresh, and here foo from demo. You can see here I have foo from demo. It probably will be here too. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it also added here automatically. Anyway, so when we define function, you can also access it. But here, if I access console log clg foo window dot foo from demo, you definitely cannot get it. You will get it undefined. But now, if I use update window dot foo from demo, okay, you will get that function being printed. Let's refresh. Oh my god, what happened? I have to open in another browser. Let me try to see. Okay. Another tab. It's behaved differently now. That's a surprise. That's a surprise. I don't know this part. Okay, because based on my understanding, it shouldn't have here. Let me see if I have Safari. Okay, let's see. Okay. My understanding is this one should be the same behavior as the var for the function, but now it turns out it's different. Okay, I'll open Safari. How can I open the F11? No. That Safari has the console. Okay, so if not, I will using this one. Safari. Okay, I'll see this one. Control A. Hey, why doesn't have this one? Doesn't have the console? Because I never use the Safari. I don't know. I don't have other browser installed. So for this one, I will take a look at it later. Okay. I don't want to re-record the video, so I will just ignore for now. For this one. Okay. For the behavior, Both of them are hoisted, but I don't know, this one will still existing inside, which behave different from the var. Okay, I'll just ignore for this one. Okay, I'll continue on others. When I find out, I will take a look at later. And the last one I want demo is globalThis. globalThis, which is added very simple. When we print the globalThis, you will directly see the window object. Okay, globalThis. And which is this one just pointed to the as a standard name for the global object. And in the node, say if I go to the node globalThis, okay, you will see this is globalThis point to for the global object, and the globalThis will also reference to the global object. When I type global inside the node, it's the same as the globalThis. Okay, this one global, and which is like here I have a set time out in the interval, and here you can see here same set time as the interval. So this keyword is just pointed to the global object. Okay, I'm done for this video, and sorry about this one, which is the function declaration. This one, okay, I'm totally not aware of this one gonna be also added here. I was thinking it's the same behavior as a var. Okay, I will do some research after that, and then I will make a comment inside the video. Okay, or I will just add some comment in the description of the video. Okay, thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye bye.